Hello and welcome to EcommPremium. Do you know if your blogs are not indexing in Google properly, what will be the reason why they are not indexing correctly? Here you can see you have to simply go to your search console after 3 or 4 months and see inside your currently not indexed files. Simply go there and then go for all the previous files that haven't submitted. Just go to any of your link here and currently not submitted, click on inspect URL. After clicking on inspect URL, you will see it will show like this: URL is not on Google. Then you have to test your live link here by clicking test live URL. Once you will test your URL, it will tell you that what things are missing or what you have to improve in order to get it indexed, because sometimes Google crawlers don't crawl. As you can see, it was last crawled on 26th of September 2022, and today we are doing it again on 18th of November 2022. Like after 4 months, we are manually crawling our post here, and you can see while doing test live, it's saying URL is available to Google. The page availability is eligible, video discovery is eligible, mobile usability is eligible, FAQs and local. So it helps to improve your website index higher in Google search engine. Simply click on request indexing. After clicking on request indexing, your URL was added to the priority crawl queue. Like whenever after 2 days, 1 day, 24 hours, 72 hours, crawler came to our website, it will crawl these priority queues links. So hopefully this helps you to higher rank in Google search engines. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube. Thank you so much. Bye bye.